Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to add code block in Slack application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Adding Adding code block into Slack is very easy task. You just simply have to open your Slack application at first, and after opening the Slack application, just simply open the chat where you want to send a code block message. First of all, you just simply have to type this double inverted comma and then one of these curly quote letter. Then after that, just simply enter your code into here and again repeat the same as the starting, and then click to send button. And as you can see here, your code is successfully getting blocked. By following this very easy step, you can easily block in Slack application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.